Unfortunately, I broke my microphone to my camera at this event. I dropped my camera and didn't realize that I broke the microphone until I got home. So basically, all of the footage where I was talking and giving you guys tips and all my, what I do on every vlog, lost all of it. So I had to do a voiceover. So today's going to be a pop-up event. If you guys are new to my page, me and my mom do pop-ups every week for our business, Bourgeois Boutique. We sell clothes, accessories, and all that. But at pop-ups, especially this one in particular, really brought our accessories. And a lot of people on live, because I go on live at the pop-ups, they always say I need to bring the clothes, but our clothes do not sell at certain pop-ups. Our clothes do not sell at all. So we decided to save space in our car and just do accessories. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to jump in and out of doing voiceovers throughout the video so I can tell you guys what's going on. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy.
Don't wait up or down. Don't be smart, wait up. Don't wait up or down. Don't be smart, wait up. All that pain. Don't wait up or down. Do that to pain you down. Don't be smart, wait up. Be honest, don't wait up or down. Do that to pain you down. Don't be smart, wait up.
So the event starts at 11 o'clock. This is our first customer of the day. I get so excited when people come inside our tent. But she ended up purchasing a pair of our sunglasses. And I have a vlog where I took you guys to downtown LA. That's where our wholesaler is at. And I show you guys how we picked out our sunglasses and how much and everything goes. Everything costs. I can't even speak. I have to show you guys these new clutches. These are so freaking cute. I'm so in love. And every pop-up that I do a vlog, I show you guys our setup, and then I also show you guys everyone else's setup. So just in case you want to do a pop-up and you need ideas on how to set up your area, there's no rules to it. You just have to be creative, do what you want and how you feel. And everyone's setup was so nice. I said it to everybody's setup. I know I do it in every video, but I really think everyone's really creative. And when I do these pop-ups, it really shows you bosses. If that makes any sense, it makes sense to me. But I always get excited to see other entrepreneurs out here making things happen. And their setup is just amazing. Just look.
Don't wait up or down. Don't be smart, wait up. Don't wait up or down. Don't be smart, wait up. All that pain. Don't wait up or down. Do that to pain you down. Don't be smart, wait up. Be honest, don't wait up or down. Do that to pain you down. Don't be smart, wait up. Be honest, don't wait up or down. Do that to pain you down. Don't be smart, wait up. Be honest, don't wait up or down. Do that to pain you down. Don't be smart, wait up. Be honest, don't wait up or down. Do that to pain you down. Don't be smart, wait up. Be honest, don't wait up or down. Do that to pain you down. Don't be smart, wait up. Be
Okay, it's time to get back to work. Unfortunately, I didn't record her picking out the item, but this is the one where she purchased. My mouth about everything except for what this event actually is. So it's called the Lunar New Year. So it's a Chinese New Year, and it's in Riverside. This happens once a year, of course, and it's actually a 2-day event. So it's kind of good for us because we can leave our tent and inventory, but of course we're not gonna leave our inventory here. So we're gonna leave our tent here until the next day. One thing I do want to say, I just said that you can leave your tent and inventory here overnight because it's a 2-day event and we'll be here tomorrow, which is Sunday. So someone did leave the inventory here, one of the vendors, and they actually was robbed overnight. And it's all in the next vlog. You guys know I break up my videos in different vlogs and sections. So today's is part 2 of day 1 of the vlog. I'm going to link the part 1 of this day in the description box so you guys can watch it, catch up. But the next vlog is a lot of drama, and I'm telling you guys how we feel as vendors, and we gonna really talk. I'm just gonna walk around so you guys can see the crowd, you can see the activity that's going on. And every time I do a pop-up, I always try to look at the event, the previous events and all that. So this is a perfect example for anyone who is trying to look for another event, but it's only once a year. But if you guys are interested in doing pop-ups here, I'm just giving you a chance to see how the crowd is and all that. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So many more people coming in, shopping with us. This is amazing. It's a great feeling. I haven't seen everyone grab dessert from this. Of course, my mom had to try it. My mom, she got the strawberry banana pudding. I got the regular because I love regular banana pudding. Just, I'm a simple girl. That is it for the vlog. We're packing up. It was a successful day. It's always successful when me and my mom go out there and make things happen. It's always successful. So we're gonna see you guys in tomorrow's vlog, and tomorrow is gonna be the final day at this event, and I'm hoping for the same outcome that happened today. So yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow.